Hello everyone, this is our second video of the chapter The Union Legislature and the Executive. In our last video, we read about the concept of Lok Sabha. Now, in this video, we are going to read about the concept of Rajya Sabha and some other topics. Now, Rajya Sabha. In Rajya Sabha, we can have 250 members, out of which 238 members are elected by the states and the union territories, whereas the 12 other members are nominated by the president. And those 12 other members which are elected by the presidents are from some specialized fields such as from the science, from art, from literature, sports, finance and some other things. Right now, at present, we are having 245 members in our Rajya Sabha. When these members are going to elect, so they have to follow some of the qualifications, or you can say that kuch mandatory parts they have to cover up. So the first thing is about qualification of Rajya Sabha members is same as the members of Lok Sabha, but in Lok Sabha we are having the age limit as of minimum age is 25 years. In that, the candidate minimum age limit is 30 years of the age. And same as in the Lok Sabha, like they must not working in any of the government institutions. Same thing over here. But we are having some differences in the qualification of Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. The first is about the age. वहाँ पे 25 years चाहिए, यहाँ पे 30 years चाहिए. As well as the member of Lok Sabha, जैसे कि हमारे पास elected by the members of Lok Sabha is generally elected by the people, but member of Rajya Sabha are not elected by the people. These members are elected by the state assemblies. And the other difference is between the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha is considered as the permanent body, whereas the Lok Sabha is considered as a temporary body. In Rajya Sabha, if we talk about the Rajya Sabha didn't dissolve after every 6 years, but the members get retired after 2 years. And after the retirement for a vacant positions, they again conduct the elections for that particular vacant positions. In Lok Sabha, the presiding officer was Speaker, but in Rajya Sabha, the Vice President of India is considered as the presides of our Rajya Sabha. Clear? This is all about the Rajya Sabha. Now we are having a question regarding the parliament. Now what is a parliament? And parliament consists of two houses, you know very well, that is Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. How this parliament works? Now, after every particular period of a time, people meet in a parliament to discuss some of the affairs, or you can say that some of the contents. So this particular meeting is known as our sessions. And according to the constitution, parliament must have at least two sessions in a year. But we are having 3 sessions in a year. It's out budget session, that is in between the Feb and May, because I think you guys know very well that on every 1st April, Government of India declared the budget. Clear? Budget session is in Feb and May. Monsoon session is from July or August. Winter session is November or December. Clear? Now, President is responsible to conduct all these sessions, that when these sessions should be conducted, as well as to summon, to conclusion पे आने के लिए भी हमारे पास कौन responsible है? President ही यहाँ पर responsible रहता है. Parliament is having its main 4 functions. The first is making of laws, then budget discuss करना, executives के जो functions हैं उनको look after करना, and removing high officials. जो high officials authorities हैं, if they are getting retired, तो उन सबको वहाँ से हटाना. Now the first thing is about discussing the budget. When we are going to pass on the budget, so the first we need to discuss the whole thing about the budgets. and this budget is very important for the common people because with the help of these budgets we can able to know कि भाई हमारे आने वाले टाइम में इकोनॉमी में राइज होने वाला है, फॉल होने वाला है, प्रोडक्ट्स के प्राइस बढ़ने वाले हैं, कम होने वाले हैं. ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी कम टू नो फ्रॉम द budgets only. Now, these budgets are presented by the finance minister before or during the budget session. In this budget, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर शो ऑल द एस्टिमेट्स, वो सारा कुछ दिखा देते हैं यहाँ पे अप्रॉक्स में कि कितना खर्चा हमारे पास होने वाला है, कितनी इनकम गवर्नमेंट की यहाँ पे होने वाली है. एंड द इनकम ऑफ अ गवर्नमेंट दे जनरली गेट इट फ्रॉम द टैक्सेस एंड because of these taxes they can able to know whether the government is going to earn a good income or not. जब तक ये बजट हमारा फाइनल नहीं होता तब तक इसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं हमारे पास फाइनेंस बिल, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ अ प्रपोजल विच इज़ प्रेजेंटेड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मेंबर्स ऑफ अ पार्लियामेंट. once they finalize it, only then that finance bill is declared as our budget. Clear? This is all about the budget discussions.